As U.S. importers, we are so appreciative of every vendor partnership that we have, and we are committed to trying to find ways forward so we can continue to do business with our partners here to help their business thrive, so our business can thrive.
I can't shut my business down and wait. Me and my wife, who run our business, are expecting them not to last 60 days. We've already placed an order. We're hoping by the time it reaches port, they've already figured it out. Hopefully they settle down and figure it out so everybody wins. Either way, we're ordering product. For the most part, you're the only place to get our main product.
We're not stopping, and we're doing everything we can help. It's a long-term relationship, and we want to work with all of them and to make sure it works in the future for both of our companies.